What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, coming to you 11 o'clock at night on what was a 100-degree day. And I want you guys just to see this. Look at this show. Heat lightning. I believe that's what they call it. There's no thunder. And it's just been, I've been watching it for about the past half hour, and it keeps getting closer and closer and more frequent. So I don't know if we have a storm coming, which I would imagine so, but who knows? Unbelievable, man. Sky is just dancing. It's alive. And my dog is barking, wondering what I'm doing. See if you can. Okay, so this is north. Okay, but if we face south, you know, it's kind of reflecting off the skies that way. There's not really any action that way. But north, man, it's going nuts. Anyway, can you guys see me? I wanted to just do a little quick update on the 03 Mercedes E320. I sold it yesterday. I mean, put it on Facebook Marketplace just to kind of feel out what might, you know, just throw a price, just see what might happen. Didn't get a lot of interest, but it only takes one, you know, only takes one. And I had that one reach out, and he was a Mercedes enthusiast. He drives a 1985 500 SEC that's in mint condition. He drives a 1993 300E in mint condition. Him and his wife and his teenage kid showed up in a GL 320 CDI. I think that's what those were, which was the diesel big SUV. It was probably about 10 or 12 years old. And he bought the Mercedes for his 19-year-old daughter, who had a 06 E320 CDI, and she was rear-ended by a large truck. So totaled the car, and she loves the W211 body style. So he jumped right on it, paid my full asking price, sold it for $3,900. And remember, we bought that for $1,900 was a winning bid, but then I had a $440 dealer fee. It was ridiculous. So still made a little profit though, you know, about $1,500, so that's not bad. And I had that car about a week, and that's the way to do it right there, you know. Anyway, y'all have a good night, and I hope I don't get blown away by a tornado or something later. Man, crazy. It was such a hot day though. Y'all have a good night. Peace.